Hello everyone, my name is Corbinian and I'm from aurivus. Today I would like to introduce to you our software, which is called aurivus AI, and how easy it is to use. First of all, we have to open the aurivus AI website. Just go to app.aurivus.com. Yeah, and there you have to sign up now if you don't have an account until now. Yes, I just click there. Type in your email address and your name, afterwards your company name, and then a password. Just accept the terms and sign up now. After your registration, you get an activation link per mail. You have to confirm that mail, and now you're able to log in. Okay, now let's move on with the first login and orientation. You just have to log in on our interface, and then you can see the whole aurivus AI interface. Yeah, the first category is called jobs. Here you can create new jobs. The second one is called credits. Here you can see your balance and purchase further credits and download your files. The next section is support. If you have any problems, feel free to contact us. And after this, here you can see your profile settings. You can change your profile, your email address, your name. And this section is for downloads. You can download the aurivus plugin here for Revit. Just use your Revit version, and if you're done, you can log out. Okay, step 3, upload your job. You just have to drag and drop your E57 file and start the download. Just do it. Now it takes a while. Yeah, and if you're done, continue. The next step is called check the preview. You have to wait a few minutes, and then you can download the results. Now here we can see the preview is available. So click on details. Before buying, you can check the previews if everything worked all right. And here you can see the preview shows all layers of your model. Just look through it if everything is fine. Okay, looks fine. So let's buy it with our credits. Buy and download and commit to buy. Okay, if you use aurivus for the first time, you have to download the aurivus plugin on our website. Just do it. Just go to downloads and choose your current Revit version, and you can download it then. Just click on it and the download will start automatically. Start the installer and follow the instruction until everything is done. The next step is to open the aurivus AI results in Revit. Now we click on New and open Revit and create a new project. We use the architectural template. You will now see how we set up the complete project and start modeling. First, click on the aurivus ribbon and load the result you downloaded from our website. Select the PLI file you downloaded. It contains all the information the neural network found in the point cloud. Okay. In the 3D view, you can already see all the details in the color of the object. But you can also see the real colors and simply remove the ceiling to have a look into the building. You can now see, for example, that the doors are objects. They are still point clouds, but they are also objects since our neural network grouped them together. Now we only want to see the floors to adjust the levels. In the elevation views, here for example east, you can select the levels and adjust their size and height. Here we adjust the height of level 2 to match the second level. Now we want to draw new levels and go to the architectural ribbon in the elevation view. Simply set up the new level. Now we adjust the height to match the ceiling of level 2 in this case. It is a good idea to set the levels to match the whole building scan. You can see now in 3D that you see also the levels, and we perfectly set up our project. Now we can start level by level. It is more comfortable when having the 3D view next to the 2D view. In the view of level 1, you can see that there is already a nice view of the floor plan by simply removing all the things we don't want to see. For example, furnitures or ceilings. But we would like to see it from the ground to the top of the building. We don't need any sections, so we set up the view range to go from the ground level to level 2. Now we have a nice view from the ground to the top. And by selecting only walls and windows and doors, we have a perfect view on the floor plan, ready for redrawing. Let's start in this part of the building. We activate the wall placer and set the wall height from level 1 to level 3. Now we just hover over the walls which are proposed by the neural network and simply click on them to confirm them and let them draw. Here you can also see that the thickness of the walls is proposed and the walls are chained together, so they are nicely connected. Beautiful. In the 3D view, we can now toggle the object transparency. We can now select the point cloud objects and we can then turn them into Revit objects. So these doors which now were selected will now be replaced by Revit families, which have been loaded into the project earlier. The neural network finds the best fitting match in the library. This best fitting door will then replace the door, which has been a point cloud object before. After confirming all the doors you want, you can continue in the same manner with the windows. Now that was our short tutorial. I hope it helped you a lot, and if you have any further question, feel free to contact us.